Hello everybody, here we go again in Amsterdam, Coffeeshop and Red Light District Tour. Today I have four amazing guys from Florida, United States. Everybody knows where it is, right? I'm gonna ask the same question to establish it, to give them the same question. With what they were today most impressed in this amazing city, sin city of Europe. Guys,
Yes,
your turn.
I love the tour so much. If you're thinking about coming, you make sure you come. Alexander is so knowledgeable about the city and he makes it
That's
fun
me, that's me.
and he makes it interesting. And we just enjoyed our time with him today. Wish we could stay for more, but we're definitely coming back.
You see? Okay, guys. To be honest, your recommendation, what this tour guide me actually to improve, to do better, to improve the services. Tell me, honestly.
Honestly, nothing. Just keep continuing to just give the information and knowledge to all of your customers like you did for us. And we thank you for making this like our own personal tour. It was so informative, so exciting. Can't wait to come back.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for your time today. You shared with me. I wish
Thank
you a very
you
pleasant
so
trip
much.
back to United States,
Yes.
to Florida. God bless you. And I
Thank
wish you very,
you.
very nice
Okay.
Christmas holidays.
Thank you,
And
you
see you
too.
soon next year, New
Okay.
Year 2023.
Thank you.
Thank
All right.
you.
You're welcome.
Very good.